Let me walk you through the top 7 foods for healing leaky gut, along with a healing diet plan to get your gut back on track. Leaky gut syndrome, also known as intestinal permeability, occurs when the lining of your intestines develops tiny gaps. This allows proteins like gluten to pass through into your bloodstream, triggering systemic inflammation throughout the body. This inflammation can affect your thyroid, potentially leading to conditions like Hashimoto's disease or your large intestine, causing inflammatory bowel disease. It can also result in food sensitivities and other adverse reactions. But don't worry, by incorporating these 7 powerful foods into your diet, you can work toward healing leaky gut for good. First up is gut bone broth. Traditionally made by boiling chicken or beef bones along with their ligaments, bone broth releases essential amino acids like proline and glycine. Proline, a precursor to collagen, is critical for maintaining the integrity of your gut lining, keeping it tight and healthy. Glycine supports overall gut repair, and bone broth also contains L-glutamine, an amino acid that acts like a band-aid for your intestines and colon. For best results, drink 8 ounces of bone broth twice a day. Making it in a crock pot ensures you'll always have some on hand. Next is kefir or homemade yogurt. Fermented dairy products are among the richest sources of probiotics, which are essential for gut health. Goat's milk kefir or yogurt fermented for 24 to 29 hours is especially potent, containing probiotics like lactobacillus that crowd out harmful bacteria, including yeast and fungus. Since many people today have probiotic deficiencies, incorporating these fermented foods into your diet can make a big difference. Third, we have fermented vegetables, like sauerkraut, kimchi, kvass, and coconut kefir. These foods contain powerful probiotics such as Bacillus subtilis and Lactobacillus plantarum, which help balance gut bacteria. The organic acids in these foods create an environment that allows probiotics to thrive. Including fermented veggies in your meals supports healthy digestion and a flourishing microbiome. Fourth is the coconut products, particularly coconut oil. This oil contains medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid, capric acid, and caprylic acid, which have antimicrobial properties. These fatty acids combat harmful bacteria in the gut and are easily digestible, making coconut oil a fantastic replacement for other cooking oils. Number 5 is a wild-caught fish, particularly salmon. Wild-caught salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, an essential factor in healing leaky gut. Salmon, mackerel, and wild-caught tuna are easy-to-digest protein sources loaded with these beneficial fats. Aim for wild-caught fish 3 times a week for maximum benefits. The 6th food is sprouted flax seeds, though they're not for everyone. Sprouted flax seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which promotes the growth of good bacteria in your gut. Just 1 tablespoon a day in a smoothie with collagen powder is enough. If your digestive system is very sensitive, you may need to wait before introducing flax, but it's an excellent option for long-term gut health. Finally, we have steamed vegetables, or those cooked in a crock pot. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, celery, carrots, and squashes nourish your spleen and colon while supporting your immune system. Cooking these vegetables makes them easier to digest, making them ideal for gut healing. To heal your leaky gut, include these 7 superfoods in your diet daily, and cut out grains, processed foods, and other gut-irritating substances. If you'd like to learn more about leaky gut and access gut-friendly recipes, visit my website at drax.com or search for Dr. Axe Leaky Gut. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and videos on restoring and maintaining gut health. Together we can work toward healing your gut and improving your overall well-being.